Chevy Cruze 2015 had some problems accelerating, stalling, and we checked the code. It says P011. P011 stands for intake camshaft position sensor, and it is this guy here. New part actually looks like this. One screw, take it out, unplug the harness, and that will be it. Let's do it. There is a little tab that we need to pull out, like that. It's here. Pull back. Then we need to squeeze on that tab and pull, and that will be harness off. To take sensor off, we will need to take this screw out and then pull whole sensor out. The wrench we need to use E10 star. Fairly easy to loosen up. Be careful not to lose the screw in the engine bay, and screws out. To take sensor out, we need to grab it for connection place and wiggle it out. Maybe some little oil can come out, but not in my case. This is old one. It's a good idea to compare them. This is old, new. They look the same. What is recommended is to put some oil on the orange O-ring for a smooth fit, and I'm going to just pull out dipstick and get some oil and do so. Okay, and put it around. To install it, it's reverse of taking it out. It's only one way. Put the screw back in. We don't need to tie too much, just nice snug in order to not to break it. And put the harness back again. Click and tab in. Snug, nice, all good. In my case, or Chevy Cruze case, there is two of these sensors. One is for exhaust, one is for, I believe, engine or something else, but there's two of them, and intake actually. And then I decided to change them both, so I'm gonna do that same way. Bolt is here, tab, pull it out, pull whole thing out, and replace it with a new one. New one looks exactly like one that we already replaced, so it will be same process. Actually, will not be same process. Cannot put my wrench that I had for previous one through here because there is stuff in front. If I shorten it, I still cannot do it. So I need to take some of this stuff out or find a different solution. What I'm going to try, I'm going to use my E10, and I realize that I have here a hole. I can use a little screwdriver, a pry bar, and try to loosen it that way. And it actually did work. I lost the wrench once because it's awkward, but it did work when I tried to loosen it up. I could, and you can see that. And I can just be careful, take my time to take the screw out, but it is coming. Here we are. I'll put some towel in case the oil comes out. and there is no oil. Oil the new one. In, align it with the hole and put the screw in. I'll use the same way with a screwdriver to tight, and I already did, so it's just the show with the same wrench. Put the harness, wiring harness back and snap it and pull this tab in. All good and ready. Okay, after replacing these two pieces, I think per OBD that my problem will be solved. But I know also that these solenoids, one in the front, one in the back, go bad. They are called variable valve timing, and if you subscribe to my channel, you will be able to see next project to replace this. Thank you for watching.